recently I went to my native place. I went to my native place. Then while coming back from native place to Hyderabad, we stopped for dinner at Narketpalli. Vivera Hotel is there. Just we stopped there. Just my father, my mother, and my family members are there. Then what I did is, after completing dinner, just around 9, then I told to my parents, just wait for 5 minutes. In the mobile, I will take the session and then we will start like. Observe that. In the mobile, I will take the session. Okay, because I have the session. I promised myself every day I'm going to take the session. Okay, just wait for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. I will take the session and then we will start like. Have you observed? How much subject I gave, that is not important. Am I doing that activity consistently or not? That thing matters a lot. Are you getting my point right?
Sir.
Okay. How small that activity also. How small that activity also. Not important. Even very small, minute action also. Atomic action. A small action also. No problem. First start. Sir, today I can spend only 2 minutes. No problem, man. Sir, today I can spend only 1 minute. Yeah, perfect. No issue at all. Action creates results. Action creates results. Action is the medicine for procrastination. How small that action? Not important. Not important. Even micro action also. No problem. But are you starting or not? That thing is very, very important. Sir, today onwards. Today onwards. Okay? Today onwards. I want to do walking. Just wear the shoe, 2 steps. That thing is enough. I want to read a book. Take the book, just hold the book, and then just like this. You are not required to study. I'm telling you are not required to study. Just start that action. That thing is very, very